Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on Amazon. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're on the Amazon app or Amazon.com, you can change it in there, but you can also change it on the device itself. So on your iPhone or Android, you could open up the settings, and then you can tap on General, and then scroll down until you get to, where is it? Language and region. On here, we can always just hit add language on here and change the language and the region for your entire device, your iPhone, Android, or computer. And then Amazon usually just follows suit. However, let's say you just wanted to change it within Amazon. We can do that as well just by opening up the Amazon app or going to Amazon.com. And the first option is to tap on those three lines at the bottom right. From here, let's just scroll over on the very top until we get to account and tap on that. And once we're on account, let's scroll down until you see the option towards the bottom that says personalized content, and we're going to choose your shopping preferences here. Now, in my case, I'm in the United States in English. You can see at the very top right, I can tap on that flag. And I'm going to change the country or region. When you update that country or region, it also updates the currency. However, some countries you can modify the currency. So let's say in this case, I already have the United Kingdom. You could just tap on that, choose whatever country you want. But I'm going to choose the UK and in English. So hit done here. Now it updates everything. You can see if I scroll down, everything is in pounds now instead of dollars, whereas it deals under 15 pounds instead of $15. Another place to look for that is just to tap on the profile button at the very bottom left, little person. And a lot of times at the top right here, you'll see a little flag as well. I can tap on that. And now keep in mind, in the United States, I only have the option to use US dollars. However, in the United Kingdom, I can change the currency to euros, US dollars, Chinese yuan, Danish krone, etc. I can keep scrolling down and choose tons of different currencies. Let's say I'm in the United Kingdom, but I want to shop as euros. I can do that and just hit done. And now if I go back home here and visit anything, I'll be able to see what the price is of anything in that specific currency. In this case, again, euros instead of US dollars, instead of pounds, whatever you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.